Well, after long, I'm doing a book review, and the book here that I have right now is called The Way Ahead, a compilation of universal truth by Tamanna C. Now, Miss Tamanna C is this uh, angel healer that I came across on Instagram. I mean, I've not really personally connected with her, but like in terms of sent her messages and all. But this book, yeah, The Way Ahead, is I would say that it is on par with Paulo Coelho's Alchemist. You know, it is that good because and it's got just these very just it's not like a book as such. It just has these certain universal truths. So people, I was rushing. I had to. It's my child's birthday, and I need to be, out and all. But I felt I had to review this because these are certain books that everybody should know of. I mean, these are little known books that everybody should know of. So you can get it on Amazon. It's called The Way Ahead, and it's just like $250, I guess, but it will change your life. So really, people, so on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.